So think about it. Which one you want to use? You want to use that one when they see they make your skin. When they say, I keep using it, keep using it to work. It's because you have not entered the sun. It's because you have not entered the rainy season. Right? No, say no to we have not entered rainy season. Use a product in 7 days, you see result. These are the products you use. In 7 days, you see result. It is what it is. Hello guys, welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. And if today is your first time coming here, I say very big welcome to you. I appreciate you. We celebrate you guys. I just laugh because you guys, what you do today? Will now amaze me. I was even saying people started by I don't know say so now just wait make today first read before now turn up. Oh Jesus, I appreciate you guys. I appreciate you guys. Truth. I appreciate all of you that came through today, and more still coming tomorrow because it's 3 days. Oh, the promo is amazing, and let me tell you, for this promo bar, this thing the one I surprised me today. So me, I was surprised with that. For those Temi Tokbe, Temi Tayo, then Sarah, Sing, Beauty, Ifemena, then who again about let me tell you about 10 persons. Yeah, I put surprise gift for our package because you guys really surprised for this promo. 20% discount. Now looking, I want to use this opportunity to take every year. I appreciate you guys. So it is what it is. The promo is still on anyway. 20% discount. Do not forget, promo is still on. Yes. And those of you that I put gift inside on a package, on our water, all of you want it though. All of you want it. So it is what it is. Let me show you. This is another sensitive scrub. And this sensitive scrub, don't doubt me. Listen. It's not a joke. You can use it for your face. Just use it to, in a circular motion, use it to, massage your face all around in a circular motion. Then just get about 2 or 3 seconds. Before you do the use around, the seconds don't complete. Then wash off. It's a scrub that you never seen before. You've been looking for a lightning scrub. You've been looking for amazing lightning scrub. You'll be looking for a scrub that can really remove all these pores, all these clogged pores that can remove them. This is the scrub. And when you use this scrub, it will exfoliate your skin, your face, all those pigmentations. Then when you get your face, maybe say as you use it, it cause you more irritant. No. It will remove like all these pimples where you see them. You go open their mouth, you can't dry them up. When you can't use your toner joint, or you can use your face cream joint, excellent. It's a body and face scrub. Yes, body and face scrub. But why am I emphasizing it on the face? Because a lot of people really need face scrub. They say their face cream on the wall. They keep saying that. No, this one, get this one. Go check our review. You will see amazing result because it works. All right. All you need to do, just place your order as they are. All right. It's a sensitive scrub. When I mean sensitive scrub, use it in a way that I instruct you. It will get it right. Your face will clear. You will be safe from all yama irritation. Right? So for all those irritants, this is time for you to tell them, Operation Pack Your Load from my face, pack your load from my skin. So that's why I'm introducing this sensitive scrub. Very sensitive for sensitive people. Okay, those who they have not, they're not applying it to their face, or they react. This is what you need. Exactly. And when you use it, this is what it does. When you use it, it's because they cost, so it will not, work with your face, irrespective of the face cream, because the face cream is not working fine. But because it has done its work, it has removed every irritant, every dead cell, all the pores is open, all those pores where they clogged before, they don't open now. Then you cannot apply your face cream. That's work with your face cream. Alright, so it is what it is. If not glowing cream you use, or if not lightning cream, or if not any of the cream you use, now moisturizer, so fine. You can use our body butter. Oh yeah, not enjoy. Excellent. Alright, that's why you see when you see all these girls, then they are Shapapara style. You say you've been wondering what are they using? What is this? Just the global product. It is because it works. So this is face and body scrub. Face and body scrub to to remove every irritant from your skin, all right? And it helps to bring out your color out. It helps to bring out your color out. So think about it. Which one you want to use? You want to use that one when they see they make your skin, when they say keep using it to work. It's because you have not entered the sun. It's because you have not entered the rainy season. No, say no to we have not entered rainy season. Use a product. In 7 days you see result. These are the products you use. In 7 days you see result. It is what it is. Why am I waiting for rainy season before my product will work? Or why am I waiting for a sun to shine before a product will work? No. Right? No, use a product that it will work. So we've come to the end of the review. Do not forget that the Obonge promo is still on 20% discount. 20% discount. All right, 20% discount. Bye bye.